Hello there and welcome to, just a little thing I like to call my YouTube channel. And right now we're just making a little thing I like to call a video that hopefully more than 5 people will watch. Today I'm going to be doing some gel nails. I haven't done gel nails in probably over a year. I don't know why, because I honestly love doing it. It's so much fun and they look so good if you do it right. With practice, I could get it like pretty good where, I could wear my gel nails for more than a week. So that is the plus of gel nails. I genuinely love painting my nails. Whenever I just do regular fingernail polish, I probably do different color nail every 3-4 days. I know. I have too much time on my hands, apparently. But I thought it'd be fun if I could show you how I do my nails with gel nail polish, what I use, if maybe you're interested in buying some for yourself. I've got mine off of Amazon. I will link mine below, or maybe something similar to it. I don't know if they actually have the same thing anymore, since I did buy it like a while ago. I will tell you, I've really enjoyed it. I think they're great products. There's so many different kinds of nail polishes you can buy on Amazon or wherever. I just do Amazon out of convenience. Maybe you're wondering, well, okay, if I buy one, how do I do it? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you all my tips and tricks, what I've learned over my time doing these pretty old fingers. I did screenshot something off Pinterest that I'm gonna be aiming for today. I have like a board on Pinterest of different fingernail designs that I always refer to or go back to. Whenever I'm on Pinterest, I'll just scroll and add stuff to this folder. So I'm gonna go after this pink glittery look, like something subtle, not too in your face, but just like a fun, maybe like Y2K glittery fingernail polish. So first off, let me show you. This is my gel kit. It came with 20 colors. UV LED soak-offs. I have never actually soaked my fingernail polish off. It usually starts peeling at the corners or something. Comes with a variety of colors. I mean, there's all sorts of ones you can pick. I kind of swatched them one time on a piece of paper. I'm gonna be going with this color, but I've really found this has a good variety of pinks, kind of what I usually lean towards, pinks, darker shades, and then it also comes with your clear coats and base coats, so that's nice. So that is my kit. And then for my lamp, I have this bad boy. Yes, she does have a little bit of fingernail polish on her. That just comes with many uses, so it's on right now. I have it has a 10-second, 30-second, 60, 99-second one. You can also just stick your hand in there and it'll start going and counting up. Got a little travel thing. You can actually take the top off from the bottom, say if you wanted to use it, I don't know, on your feet, and then I've got it plugged in. So let's get some nail polish on these bad boys. What do you say? So like I said, I'm gonna go with this pinky color. This is what it looks like. And whenever you open it, it's kind of thick, honestly. And I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. Maybe it's time for some new ones. Don't tempt me with a good time, you know what I'm saying? I'll get on there and buy too many other colors right now. What you first want to do is you want to wash your hands. I've already done that. I've, cut and trimmed my nails, took off my old nail polish. But now I'm going to just like slightly sand down the tips. I mean like slightly, so I'm just gonna like barely go over it, just so the base coat has something to like grab onto, stick onto. Also, I've found if your nails are super ridgy, I really need to get a like proper buff tool. But if your nails are super ridgy, sometimes the gel nail polish will like hug onto those ridges and you can like see it. I know, kind of sucks, but worth the investment of a buffer. Still haven't done that. That's out of pure laziness. Pure laziness only. We're gonna start with the base coat. The weird thing about the base coat, after you put it on, it is kind of sticky. It doesn't like dry all the way. Okay, base coat we put on. Also, pro tip, try not to get anything on your skin. Just because the light, I'm not gonna lie, the light can like burn it a little bit. And it's not unbearable, but it isn't comfortable. It's a little uncomfortable. So you wanna make sure, stay within the lines of your nail as much as possible, so your gel nail polish actually sticks on your nail. Gel nail polish for me has been a great substitute for, say, if I wanted to go to the nail salon and get tips or something. The gel just makes it look like I went to the salon. Maybe I didn't have time to go, or I didn't want to spend the money. I think that's the main reason I got this, because I didn't want to go to the nail salon. If you're just like me, you need one. We're cured and we're shiny. We're ready for the color. One thing I love about doing my nails, for me, it's just creative outlet in a way. Some people really like to show off their personality and their fashion. For me, it's doing my nails. Doing my nails is one thing that I feel like I truly can have like control over in my life. If I'm having a shitty day, I can still have good looking nails. I can still at least do my nails and feel better. There have been a few times in my life that I literally was just not feeling good, and I went and got my nails done and I felt 100 times better. Even if that meant I was sick, I was like, yeah, if I have my nails done, at least that's a slay. You know what I'm saying? Got my nails back in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. We'll see if we like it. I am kind of going for more of a sheer look. We'll see if we like it. If not, we'll do another coat. Okay, I just got them out from the lamp. This is one coat and it's like a little sticky, which is normal until you get the top coat on. But I like how sheer they are. I think this is really fun. Just kind of like little jelly. So I may touch up a couple of them, but I'm gonna leave them kind of like this. I was saying I have a couple Q&A questions just for fun. You know, just why not? While we're waiting and doing this. First question, what is your favorite TV show? Well, one thing you should know about me is that I'm kind of a TV show buff / movie buff. Maybe more movie than TV show. Just because that's like one thing that growing up, me and my mom just always did together. I would say my current favorite TV shows are Yellowstone, Barry, great show, Succession, HBO, great show. I would say maybe like all-time favorite TV show is probably Friends. It's nostalgic to me. I love it. I can always throw it on. Also like The Office, duh. Oh, I forgot to say like Game of Thrones. Love Game of Thrones. Also House of Dragon. Okay, added a little bit extra and I'm loving the way they look. So now I'm just gonna put a top coat on and cure it for probably a couple times, a couple different minutes. Now we have the enhanced top coat. Not just any top coat, the enhanced top coat. I don't even know where my regular top coat is, so I'm sure it's in the box somewhere. Hi, Editing Hannah coming at you from the editing room. Now obviously if you were paying attention, that bottle says enhanced base coat, not top coat. I do figure out that I did the wrong thing. Just like hang with me for a second here. I'm an idiot, I know. I do not have an enhanced top coat. So yeah, I'll eventually figure it out. Anyways, back to the video. Another pro tip when it comes to doing your nails is you don't have to go cover the entire nail. Like, yes, you want to get as close to all of the edges as possible, but I think maturing is realizing that your nails look better whenever you don't overdo the whole nail, because then you end up getting on the skin, and that's just life, you know? Next Q&A question I have is, what countries have you visited? Personally, have not got to visit as many countries as I would like, but I've visited Canada most recently, and then also Mexico. I went to Cancun when I was 18. I would like to go to United Kingdom. I'd like to go France. Oh, I'd love to go to Finland, the Netherlands, Austria, all beautiful countries. I'd love to visit those places. Oh, and also Australia. That's like a new thing that I've kind of been like, I need to go to Australia in my life. Just need to. First time with top coat. We'll go in one more time because they're still like a little wet or something. Next question is, have you ever met a celebrity? The only like celebrity I've ever met was a basketball player. It was really nothing more than like to take a picture, and it was Blake Griffin. I actually have a picture on my Instagram of us, and I was like, I think I was 14 in my awkward stage, you know? Besides that, like, yeah, that's the only celebrity I've ever met. Next was, what was your favorite childhood toy? When I was little, I had one of those Barbie campers. Just thought it was like so cool. I had a red slug bug, you know, Volkswagen Beetle for my Barbies one time. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my nails off real quick because they kind of have like something on them. You know, it wouldn't be a true video unless I had a moment like this. I just realized that I put the enhanced base coat on as a top coat. Yeah, and it doesn't work the same. No. So we're gonna try to salvage this. We're trying to look on the bright side, aren't we? You can tell I haven't done this in a while. I was bound to ruin this some way. Next question I have is, what is your favorite place to go on vacation? Well, I don't have one specific place I love to go on vacation. I do love to go to the lake with my family, but I would say my favorite kind of vacation is somewhere warm and tropical. On a beach, hanging out, enjoying the sun, the weather, the ocean, good food, good drinks. Good drink. At this moment, that's the ideal vacation for me. Now, I do also love going to new places and seeing new things or things that I've always wanted to see. Like I went to Hollywood last year, Los Angeles, and I got to see a lot of things that I've dreamt about seeing my entire life. And a lot of times when you see it in person, it's not as fantastic as you thought it might be. That's just life, isn't it? Now I'm going to try to salvage this and put on the top coat. Guys, I think I did it. I think I did it. Yep, that top coat really just saved the day. Final look at my left hand. They look great. Not super thick, but they're really pretty and they're hard. I'm gonna do the other hand off camera and then I'll come back at the end to show you the final look. Okay, we're back and our nails are completely finished. So, final reveal. Drum roll, please. Aww. Did I they are. I'm loving it. I think it looks very similar, if not exactly the same, to my inspiration picture. And they just look so premium. That is a salon quality job, I think. These are feeling like really good too. If they crack on the edge is really the only reason they may come up sooner than a week. I love these just because like whenever I wash the dishes, regular fingernail polish comes right off on the edges. This will stick around with me through the hard manual labor that I do every day. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for spending some time with me. If you have any questions about gel nails, products, process, there's no smell really. If you have any questions, any at all, shoot them my way. Put it in the comments. I'll reply back. I love whenever people leave comments, even hate comments. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time and have the most wonderful day. Bye.